sometimes in a pivot table, what you might want is to actually have little colored bars that give you a visual representation of where this particular client, for example, sits in relation to the overall total. So let's have a look at how we do this. First of all, we've got our sum of order amount as a column. If I grab sum of order amount or order amount again and drop it down here, it duplicates the column. Looks exactly the same. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this data, and I'm actually going to go to the Home tab and I'm going to choose Conditional Formatting. And I'm going to go to Data Bars, and this will allow me to get a gradient, a data bar. Pick a color that you like, just click on it and it shows you a graphical representation of the order amount in relation to the grand total. So that's the first piece, that puts the bars on. Now the next thing you need to do is come back and we're going to go to the data bars and more rules. Now on this data bar, you'll just want the little bars. You won't actually want the numbers. So I can put a tick in this box and click OK. And what it does is it removes the numbers, so that it just shows me the actual data bars itself to give me an idea of what that's going to look like.